Hi everyone, this is VACE Lighting ceiling fan showroom. We are a manufacturer of all kinds of ceiling fans, including retractable ceiling fans and decorative ceiling fans and bedroom ceiling fans. Today I will show you how to use those. 72-inch ceiling fans with light installation guide. Installation parts. Remove two small components from the download. Install the download into the canopy. Install the flight washer inside. Install the cover. Put the wire across the download. Install the download part into the housing. Tighten the screws. Fix fan blades to the hose with the removed screws. Remove one screw from triangular plate. Install lamp holder. Collect the lamp wire. Install lamp panel. Install front cover. Mount the bracket on the ceiling. Hang the ceiling fan onto the bracket. Install the receiver. Collect the lamp wire. Collect receiver and fan motor wires. Collect the ground wire. Collect the neutral wire and the live wire. Organize the wires and secure the canopy.